So we can see here in the Google search Indian National Anthem in Arduino Uno. So it's giving me this website. So let's click on it. So we can see a project. It's based in Arduino Uno board. We can see, and project creator is Mr. Bhaskar Tripathi. It was created on this particular date in 2020. So he has used this particular board doing the Uno. Then there's a buzzer also, breadboard, jumper. All these are hardware, and he has written a code also for this. So we'll try to recreate it without purchasing any of these hardware, and it will be a simulation of this entire diagram that he has created, and we'll try to recreate the project. So if it is possible, it will be possible in TinkerCad. So let's go to the dashboard of TinkerCad. I already have an account here, so I can create my own design out here, as I have already created some design here. I'll be just copying the code and the design of Mr. Bhaskar Tripathi and try to recreate in TinkerCad. So let's click on the new project, new circuit. So here is my board. So I'm just dragging it here in my workspace. Here goes my buzzer. Don't laugh looking at the buzzer, but it really works. So slight adjustment, fine. Now here we can see the code place. So it is basically written in blocks, but I can do it in text also. So if I click on continue, it gives me a C++ code, pre-written code. I can delete this thing. So I'll go to the particular code written by Mr. Tripathi, and I can copy this code. Full credit to him. So just simply copy, but I have to do some manipulation probably. Let's see what manipulation do I need to do. Okay, here I can see that speaker connect to pin number 7, and that is one thing that we have to note down. And let's try to run it once after completing the diagram. So this is the positive, and this is the pin number 7. Here it goes, and for the negative it will be grounded. So let us do it. Great. So let us try to start the simulation. So you can change the name now. So there goes the project. So I can just go back to the dashboard. So it is just created, as I can see.